Okay, so yes, we had we decomposed x of k into two 4-point DFT sequence, g of k and h of k, where g of k is 4-point DFT of even index sequence and h of k is 4-point DFT of odd index sequence. Fine. Now the next step is, again this g of k we are going to decompose it into two-point DFT equation, and h of k we are going to decompose it into two-point DFT sequence. Fine. And the procedure is same as what we did before for decomposing a 4-point DFT of even and 4-point DFT of odd sequence. So what we do is we'll take this g of k, and what is the equation for g of k? So this was our g of k. So it is summation r varying from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, which is 3 x of 2r. But what I'll do is I'll replace this x of 2r as g of r. Okay. Why? Because this equation is for g of k. So g of r into e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into r. So what is g of r? G of r is a 4-point time domain sequence where its samples are g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3. Right? Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll decompose this 4-point time domain sequence into two even index sequence and two odd index sequence. Okay. So what is this? This is even sequence, this is even index sequence, and this is odd index sequence, and this is odd index sequence. Fine. But this corresponds to what in x of n? This corresponds to what in x of n? So this g of k is for what? All the even index sequence, right? So therefore this g of 0 is nothing but x of 0. G of 1 is nothing but x of 2. G of 2 is nothing but x of 4, and g of 3 is nothing but x of 6. Right? So this g of k corresponds to all the even index sequence. Okay. So x of 0, x of 2, x of 4, x of 6. Right? Now, so even index sequence are what? G of 0, x of 2, but this I can write it in terms of x as x of 0, x of 4. So odd index sequence of g of r is what? G of 1 and g of 3, but these two in terms of x is x of 2 and x of 4. 6. So let me decompose it in the sense what? G even of r is equal to what? G of 0, g of 2, and g odd of r is equal to what? G of 1, g of 3. Right? So how do I write these two in terms of equation? We'll decompose it here. So x of k is what? Summation. So shall I write it as 3? I'll write it as 3 because it is 0 to 3, right? It's a 4-point DFT sequence. Summation r varying from where to where? 0 to 2. R varying from 0 to 2. Right? G of r e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into r, plus summation. What about odd index? R varying from where to where? 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Right? So 1 and 3. It takes only 1 and 3, and this takes only 0 and 2. So g of r into e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into r. Now for the first summation I will be replacing r is equal to 2l, and for the second summation I will be replacing r is equal to 2l plus 1. The way we did in the first decomposition, we replaced n by 2r, and for the odd we replaced n by 2r plus 1. So similarly we are replacing r by 2l and r by 2l plus 1 here. So g of k is equal to, so what do I get? Summation 2l is equal to 0 because r is 2l, and 2l up to 2. So g of 2l e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into 2l, plus summation. So r is what? 2l plus 1 is equal to 1 to 2l plus 1 is equal to 3. G of 2l plus 1 e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into 2l plus 1. Fine. So now I have to write these two summations in terms of L. So what do I get? G of k is equal to summation. So L varying from 0, because 2 goes to right hand side, it is 0, and this is up to 1, right? So 2 by 2 is 1. So G of 2L into e power minus j. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 pi by 2 into k into L plus summation. So what happens here? 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. So L varying from 0. This is 3 minus 1 is 2 if this one comes to the other side. So 2 by 2 is 1. So L varying from 0 to 1. G of 2L plus 1 into, if I split this exponential, e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k into 2L into e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into k. So this is equal to G of k is equal to summation L varying from 0 to 1 G of 2L e power minus j 2 pi by 2 into kl plus, so this I will write it as W4 power k, and I will shift it here because it's independent of L, and the rest of term is L varying from 0 to 1 G of 2L plus 1 into e power minus j, again 2 1s are 2 2s are, this is 2 pi by 2 into k into L. So therefore G of k is equal to, so I will call this as A of k plus, this I will written as this is W4 power k, and I will call this as B of k. Okay, and this is for k varying from 0 to what? 1. Why 1? Because now this is the equation, this is a 2-point DFT equation, right? And this is also 2-point DFT equation. This is the 2-point DFT equation of all the even sequence of G of R, and this is the 2-point DFT of all the odd sequence of, odd samples of G of R. Okay, so I can write as G of k is equal to A of k plus W4 power k B of k, but k takes only two values 0 and 1. What about for k varying from 2 to 3? Because we have started with 4-point DFT, right? So G of k, we started with 4-point DFT. Here k is varying from where to where? So k is varying from where to where? K is varying from 0 to 3, right? So we got k for 0 to 1. What about 2 to 3? So it is nothing but, again we are going to exploit the periodicity property. So G of k is equal to what? A of k plus 2 plus W4 power k into B of k plus 2. So this is for k varying from where to where? 2 to 3. This equation takes the value k 2 3, and this equation take the value k 0 1. Okay, so this I decomposed only G of k into 2-point DFT equation. Similarly we have H of k also I have to decompose it into 2-point DFT equation for even index of H and odd index of H. So we can directly write it, we don't have to again put these equations. So similarly so I can write H of k, I can decompose H of k into C of k 4 power k into D of k. This is for k varying from 0 to 1, and H of k is equal to C of k plus 2 plus W4 power k into D of k plus 2, and this is for k varying from 2 to 3. So if we combinedly write both G of k and H of k, so we have G of k is equal to A of k plus k varying from 2 to 3, and for H of k, so anyhow I will write it here itself. For k equal to 0, I have G of 0 is equal to A of 0 plus W4 power 0 B of 0. For k is equal to 1, I have G of 1 is equal to A of 1 plus W4 power 1 B of 1. And for k equal to 2, I have G of 2 is equal to A of 0 plus W4 power 2 into B of 0. So why did I write 0? Because since it's a 2-point DFT, so it is repeating for every 2 fundamental period, right? And for k equal to 3, I have g of 3 is equal to a of 1 plus w4 power 3 into b of 1, right? Fine. So similarly for h of k, if I give values for k, so I have for k is equal to 0, I have power 3 into d of 1. Okay, now we shall try to uh, put this equation in terms of flow diagram. So what do we have here? This is 2.ft, 2.ft, and this is 2.ft, 2.ft. So we have 4 blocks with 2.ft's. So all these are 2.ft, and this corresponds to a of k, this corresponds to b of k, this corresponds to c of k, and this corresponds to d of k. Right. Since this is 2.ft, I have 2 inputs for every block. Now what is the input of a of k? So input of a of k is nothing but all the even index sequence of g of k, right? So what about the even index of g of k? It is x of 0 and x of 4, right? So let me just give it here. G of r we had, which was g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, and g of 3, right? Now, so these two are even index sequence of g of r, and these two are odd index sequence of g of r, right? Sorry, these two are odd index sequence of g of r, samples of g of r. So this is even sample, odd sample, odd sample, right? And all these are corresponds to what? All this corresponds to even sequence of g x of n, right? G of 0 corresponds to x of 0, this corresponds to x of 2, this corresponds to x of 4, this corresponds to x of 6, right? Now, so this a corresponds to what? Even index sequence of g of k. So even is g of 0 and even index samples of g of k. So here even is g of 0 and g of 2. So g of 0 corresponds to x of 0, g of 2 corresponds to x of 4, right? What about odd? This is odd index is x of 2, and this is odd, this corresponds to x of 6. Similarly for h, what is this? So this is x of 1, this is x of 3, this is x of 5, and this is x of 7. So h of r is equal to what? H of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3. But these corresponds to what? These samples in terms of x is odd sequence, right? X of 1, x of 3, x of 5, and x of 7. So 1, 5. So 1, sorry. Yes, this corresponds to x of 1, x of 5. So x of 1 and x of 5. Odd is x of 3 and x of 7. This is x of 3 and x of 7. Okay. So output of this is what? Output of ak is what? A of 0 and a of 1. Output of b of k is b of 0, b of 1. Output of c of k, c of 0, c of 1. Output of d of k, d of 0, d of 1. Let me extend these lines. What is a of 0 plus w4 power 0 b of 0? It is g of 0. So this is actually g of 0 is what? A of 0. I have a of 0 here. So b of 0 scaled by 4 w4 power 0, right? Which is added with a of 0. So b of 0, I am going to scale it by w4 power 0, and I am adding with a of 0, which will give me g of 0. Similarly, a of g of 1. So this is my g of 1 is what? A of 1. I have a of 1 here. So which is added with b of 1 scaled by w4 power 1. So I have b of 1 here, which is I am going to scale it by w4 power 1. That is g of 1. Similarly, what is g of 2? So this is my g of 2. A of 0. So I have a of 0 here. and that is added with what? B of 0 W4 power 2. So B of 0 I have W4 power 2, I have to scale it, and this has to be added with A of 0, right? This will give me G of 2. Similarly, G of 3 is what? So A of 1 I have I have to take it here, and this is added with what? B of 1 scaled by W4 power 3, which will give me G of 3. So similarly for H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3, I have C's, but D corresponding I have to scale it by W4, right? So it's something like this: C of 0, sorry, so C of 0 and D of 0 has to be scaled by W4 power 0, and D of 1 has to be scaled by W4 power 1. So here D of 0 has to be scaled by W4 power 2. So D of 1 has to be scaled by W4 power 3. So this is H of 0, H of 1, H of 2, H of 3. Okay, this was the decomposition, we did it now. But whereas 8-point DFTs we decompose into 2 4-point DFTs, that algorithm has to be included across the output of this, right? So that which is this, right? So these are all G's and these are all H. Output of this is the combining algorithm. So this has to be cascaded here. This has to be cascaded here. So we will do that. So G of 0 goes to H of 0. X of 6, X of 7. Fine. So this is the second stage decomposition of 8-point DIT FFT algorithm.